Welcome to JH. If you are seeing a PayPal error stating that your transfer cannot be completed at this time, here are several ways to fix it. Start by ensuring that the card linked to your account is still valid and has not expired. You must also confirm that your name, billing address, and other profile details on PayPal perfectly match the information on your bank or card statement. If any information is incorrect, navigate to the Wallet section to update your card details immediately. Next, make sure your PayPal account is fully verified. Check that you have finished all necessary steps, such as confirming your email address, linking a bank account, or providing any requested identity documents. Sometimes, PayPal places limitations on accounts that prevent sending or withdrawing money. You should visit the Resolution Center to check for any outstanding issues or required actions. Because some errors are only temporary, it is often helpful to wait at least 24 hours before trying the transaction again. Browser issues can also cause problems, so clear your cache and cookies before logging back into your account. Additionally, try switching your internet connection, such as moving from Wi-Fi to mobile data, to resolve potential connectivity errors. If a specific card continues to fail, try using a different link payment method or add a new card to your profile. If none of these steps work, reach out to PayPal support by clicking Contact Us at the bottom of the website or through the Help Center. You can choose to call, email, or message their team for more personalized assistance.